Well, this will be the first video from Seaside, Oregon. And today is a nice day. It's been raining for a week now. Today it's not raining, so it's time to get the motorcycle out, take all the motorcycle gear on to stay warm. And I saw that down in the middle of town there was an outlet mall. And I want to go down to the Helly Hansen store and see if I can get a raincoat, because that's really needed here for when I'm walking the dogs. And then maybe continue down to Cannon City, south of here, and there should be some rocks out in the water that I would like to find. So let's go and see this. Hey dear friends on YouTube, I'm Torkild Brunsnes and I run the channel 6 Wheels Down. My wife and I are full-time RVers and we live in our Thor Outlaw. Our goal is to travel to every state in North America. We travel with our 4 dogs, 3 Dachshunds and an English Bulldog. We have our motorcycles with us and use them to drive out to interesting places in every state. When you live in a motorhome, sometimes things break, and we will make videos of some of it. I also make music, and most of the music is recorded in the garage of our RV. Nice! I found a nice raincoat, so let's get going. But before that, I think I need to make a little stop to get some fuel in the tank. A fun thing here in Oregon is that you can't fill up your car yourself. They have somebody doing it for you. But this guy, he said, oh, I wouldn't let anyone else fill up my motorcycle. So he ended up giving me the pistol and let me fill up the motorcycle myself. So that was kind of nice. But I got fuel. for watching another video here from Six Wheels Down. I hope you really enjoyed it. And for me to be able to continue to create content here for YouTube, please click the like and the subscribe button. That's the way you can help me to grow this channel and to continue create new content. Thank you for watching.